right? So I don't know, but Dana got his food first. I think it was like a really bad mistake.
It's a consolation. It's consolation because I lost.
I don't think he's gonna eat that off either.
Bet.
I'm here to help.
Bet.
I'm here to help.
Okay. Yeah, trust me, guys. Davy will eat 6 pieces of chicken, hands down. See
damn, skip. I'll eat 21 pieces of chicken. Okay.
And I got, you know, my zebra stripes.
Same here, man.
It's good, right?
Oh god.
You can tell when something is really just by the smell, the presentation. And yeah, Davine, I like taking Davine with me because like she's pretty critical with food. So you know it's good. Right.
I think this is mine.
I kind of wish I had taken French toast so I could have compared the comparison. But
thank you so much.
Your pancakes look really good. What kind of pancakes are those?
Some chocolate stuff.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip pancakes with an omelet.
Yep.
I wonder if you get the. You just got the basic on there, right?
I got ham and bacon. Hey.
Okay, you go.
Oh, look at that. Hey, Stephen, hey.
Hey. Oh, this smells so good.
This smells really good. To be here. It was the best surprise ever, guys.
You feel like the video man or shoot the KFC commercial? I mean, I've none to eat now. Just the footage alone. So I just had a piece of Dano's French toast. And you remember I went to that other breakfast place and I tried the French toast and it was pretty good, but this one, oh my god, it tastes like, it literally tastes like a pastry. Like somebody who baked the bread like slice by slice. It sounds stupid, but that's, I gotta ask him like, if is it a regular Adobe bread or what? Because it's good. It's so flavorful and I had like a very small piece. I didn't even have like all the sauce and all that stuff on it. It's really good. It's really good. That's one thing I think, guys, when you do a concept, just do the concept right. You know, and I think these guys have it down. These guys are like enjoying themselves. That's the most important part. So it's just kind of like my little birthday gift in a small little way, maybe.
Food. Oh my god, is that hazelnut?
Huh? What? What? What did you get just there?
Just like a crunchy surprise.
Wow.
I know you say you wanted waffles, but
wow.
we just try something.
Alright, look at this.
The only reason I eat that because they want Stephen to try it.
That's the one up. That's the one up waffle sandwich.
This one, I see something like that on Instagram.
Yeah. That's the favorite. But
okay. What's it comprised of?
Alright, so for this though we have, usually it's maple syrup, but for this we put Patron maple syrup in it. Because, yeah, pepper jack cheese, we have a deboned chicken thigh in it, and we have a fried egg. Usually it don't come with a fried egg, but we kind of just add a little oomph.
Sweet, yeah.
And yeah, dusted with some powdered sugar.
I like the whole egg combination. It gives that whole melaness to it.
Yeah.
Alright,
so dig in.
Take a picture of me?
Huh? Picture?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, so everybody loves that.
It look damn good.
Tell me to take it.
We just carrot a little ramekin with some extra syrup.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want to drink in it too?
Oh yeah.
That's how that.
Jeez.
Where's it? Damn. My camera can't do what your camera does.
I just saw the comparison. I was like, man.
So you guys can taste this. That's the Patron maple syrup. So you can just throw some in your hand.
Yeah.
Dig in, boy.
So I got Mr. Breakfast, man.
B.
You know, hooking your boy up. I'm about to try this. That's what you say, boy.
A lot of people like put maple syrup on it, so I don't know if you want to put syrup on it as well.
Alright.
You want that? Hold on. You want?
Wait,
It's on it
You
already?
can try it without. Yeah.
I'm gonna try it without it
Want
first.
Some,
Okay.
And you guys can taste it. You probably might just have to pick it up with your hand and eat it.
it's a burger.
It's a
second.
Oh, I'm sorry. I messed up. I messed up. Oh my gosh.
Right.
Feels soft and nice.
Yo, Dav.
I'll be right with you.
Tastes damn good. Where you get these ideas, man?
And I do a lot of traveling. So like when I go
Listen.
overseas, like I bring, we have a tiramisu pancake which has.
You guys know me. I always say chicken is chicken,
served with the
but
tiramisu.
not this time around. Like how do you do the chicken? Like
Yeah, we have a blend and yeah. So if you want, you can try it.
It's that whole.
Extra syrup.
I ain't gonna tell you no secret stuff. You probably gotta kill me.
Yeah, so that's the patron maple syrup. Which you can try.
Dav, you
And
want
you
to
can
try?
taste the patron in it.
And the bacon is really nice, smoky.
So we try to give you quality for a good price. Because this is for $5.50.
Seriously?
Yeah. Minus the egg. But that's $5.50.
This is a good deal.
Yeah. Motor water, I'm just not eating.
Right? I feel hungry all
I see
over
some
again.
people selling omelets alone for $1,000.
Brother,
That's our way.
You can get a full
tea
combo.
tree.
You can
Let me
get a
tell
full
you,
combo
with the
for that, for
Patron,
less than that.
with the
And it tastes
Patron
really
on it,
Yeah.
you guys wanna try it?
The Patron add a little vibes.
The Patron has like, the Patron adds something different to it. Let me tell you, like, when you see something red, like a red waffle, it looks kind of strange, but this is divine. Guys, I've been to many, what do you call it, like American restaurants that sell like waffle and chicken, and I've never decided to buy. I was like, what kind of combination is that? But this,
Make you want to try now?
did you try with the Patron on it? Like,
Yeah. It
brother,
like it counts as a salt. It just
just
right?
win. 100%. Win. Wanna try that? No? Oh. You should put the, do you put the Patron on it?
Yeah.
Yo, with the Patron on it, yo, it's,
Yeah, I can taste it. What chicken is good?
yeah.
it's soft. Most people don't like chicken breast because
It's not breast, it's thigh.
is that thigh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one thing. That's the reason why we use a thigh because you know sometimes
It's
chicken
more
breast can
dry.
This is more
Yeah.
supple.
Oh, so you deboned it and everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's really good though.
Trust me, this is completely unique.
And it's so weird.
It's exactly.
These things should just not go together.
Yeah, when you look at it,
know,
like
it
the color,
works.
you're like, yo, red, but like, I think I would never eat bread in a sandwich again. To be quite honest. This is really good. I'm not even exaggerating.
It's really good.
It's really good, especially with that Patron. Boy.
Yeah, this, guys, this. Jeez. You tasted it by yourself?
No, I didn't.
My sandwich rich.
I like just drink it.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I grew up eating pancakes, waffles, and all of that, but at that point there was nowhere to really get it.
True.
So I'm like, and then when places started popping up that doing it, the price was like too much. Like one red velvet is $1,000 or $1,200, and I'm like, it's probably just once a month when people get paid and can eat it. So I'm like, all right, I'd probably want IHOP here, but to get a franchise would be way too expensive. So I'm like, why not do it yourself?
Right.
So I started it once a month in my backyard. So that was really to test out the recipes and ideas and kind of see what people like. Because it don't make sense, I'm new when I go into a big brick and mortar establishment. Nobody don't know about it.
Yeah.
So I started that once a month in June of 2017. So I was doing it and people are like, yo, we can't just wait once a month on this. We need it more often.
Yeah.
So in January I started it on weekends because I have a regular 9 to 5. So I started on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. I had no social life after that because I have to go bed early, wake up early and make breakfast for people. So people are like, we need it more often than just on the weekends.
Wow.
So July 14th we came here and did it, you know, every day since then, 7 days a week. We open from 6 a.m. Monday to Friday. And the reason we open so early is really to cater to one, the gym people.
Yeah.
And you have people that go to work that travel really
early,
early
yeah,
and they are like,
yeah.
So
That's
we
so
open from,
mad. I
we
wish
open
we were
from
closer.
6 a.m.
Close. You
And we
delivery,
do
right?
delivery.
Yeah.
And we are on the
That's
package.
like
And we're on the package app. So with
I saw that.
we'll have the app for package, so you can deliver you can order online or you can call in, and we have our own courier team which does delivery as well.
That is
Yes,
beautiful.
close.
Yeah. So we're removing the distance
That
for
made
you.
me.
Yeah, guys, so I'm talking to this dude and he was like, yo, he's a baker by passion. And like, yeah, it's regular bread, but him transform it. Because like when you look at it, I'm like, okay, it's because that's the best bread for French toast, right?
Yeah.
But then when I taste it, I was like, this feel like somebody bake the slice them separately. It's good, it's good. Yeah, but we're going back into a conversation.
Which is why birthday. Alright. A lot of I can tell you by
The guy right is taking all type of form. Whether rice and peas, waffles, whatever it is. I swear, that one there was too big, yeah. But anyway, like it's been real, man. We've been talking to Mr. Breakfast. That's his name forever. Matthew Johnson. Ain't call no man a Johnson, you know. Mr. Breakfast. You understand? So we pretty much gonna wrap up right here. Remember these 3 things, guys. Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link. Mr. Breakfast. Yo, big up for the opportunity.
Yeah, man,
we have
yeah, man,
more
yeah, man.
talking to you.
Holy.
Keep up the good work.
Thank
Food turn
you,
up.
thank you.
Them said the food turn up.
And you make pancake beat you. You're not a man at
Listen,
all.
the way you make them pancakes that them designed for beat me, brother. I couldn't do nothing late, so couldn't do nothing late. Yeah,
Thank you.
very good. Especially the French toast, that French toast. man.
Yeah,
It's-
people really love the French toast.
Yeah,
the
it's
French
the way
toast
how you make
combo.
it.
Love is the love, is the love.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
you
can
make it with
taste
love.
that.
It's the love, it's the love.
Yes. I appreciate it, man. I can't believe
You gotta twerk in the vlog.